Welcome to the Acres at Desert Creek, one of DFW's most exclusive luxury large lot communities.
Nestled in northeast Collin County, the Acres at Desert Creek is tucked away in a wooded greenbelt near Blue Ridge, Texas, and offers a convenient commute to McKinney, Allen, Frisco, and all of Dallas. In fact, its entrance sits less than 1,500 feet from State Highway 121.
This sprawling community of 59 homes offers lots from 1 to 2 acres for your home and was developed to preserve the land's natural beauty and diverse wildlife. The Acres at Desert Creek is studded with towering trees, rolling hills, and flowing creeks. Key features include a beautiful 6-acre park and peaceful walking trails.
Our communities are designed to be as effortless and hassle-free as possible. When you purchase your lot, you're completely ready to go. You can immediately bring in your own builder or work with one of our custom home partners to create your own private oasis, tucked away from the hustle and bustle of the city.
We hope that you and your family will call the Acres at Desert Creek home for years to come.